Hello, investors. Welcome to our weekly S&P Stocks 1-minute analysis. Today, we'll briefly examine Caterpillar Incorporated, a well-established and respected company in the construction and mining equipment sector. Founded in 1925, Caterpillar's been a steadfast presence in the industry for nearly a century. With its iconic yellow machines seen on worksites worldwide, the company's demonstrated remarkable stability and growth throughout the years, giving the company a status of a solid and reputable player in the international market. Nevertheless, as many of you already know, our analysis cannot be based solely on a company's commendable introduction. After all, for investment purposes, numerous other factors must be considered. So, is Caterpillar a wise investment choice at this time? Let's take a look. Despite being a reputable company, Caterpillar's fundamental indicators are not in the best shape, with poor finances and earnings quality, a fair to good PE ratio, fair growth potential, and a very good profitability. However, as you can see, these figures are not entirely unfavorable, especially when considering profitability and the PE ratio in comparison to other U.S. companies. From an investment standpoint, Caterpillar appears to be in a neutral position. Although its valuation metrics are not particularly concerning, the stock seems overvalued at present, with a notably unimpressive price-to-book ratio, or PB ratio. Nevertheless, a stable company like Caterpillar may not pose a significant risk, potentially attracting conservative investors for long-term prospects. Our consensus here was divided between buy and hold, but we ultimately settled on a hold recommendation for now. The deciding factor was the growth potential figures, which, despite being favorable, suggest that there may be more attractive investment options currently available. If you want more information, such as our target price or fair value of this stock, as well as plain and simple reports, please join us at our website, www.spstocks.com.